Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing a clean source. Choose a photo or a 1080p video because higher resolution keeps edges crisp. Once ready, open your editor and enable the Focus Only Background tool. It auto-detects the subject and creates a mask. You should immediately lock that subject mask and duplicate the layer to preserve the original. Doing this now saves time later and prevents accidental loss. Make sure to name the layer so you can return to it quickly if you need to refine the selection. Once the mask exists, refine it with intent. Zoom to 100% and inspect hair and thin objects closely. Use the brush tool to add or subtract areas, then apply refine edge where hair or fur appears, feather between 0, 5 and 3, 0 px to blend smoothly. Next, tweak depth and alpha to eliminate halos, reduce spill and raise contrast slightly to keep the subject crisp. If the auto mask missed details, switch to manual brush strokes and resample at a larger zoom. Now replace the background. Pick a blur, solid color, or a replacement image that matches perspective and lighting. This keeps the change believable. Make sure to color grade the subject versus the background so tones and shadows align. Subtle shadow under the subject adds realism. Export at the original resolution and format to maintain quality. If you see fringes or artifacts, go back to the mask, refine the edge feather, and adjust the alpha spill suppression. That single check fixes most visible issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.